Hi everyone, good evening. So let me share my screen. Okay, so like today we are going to discuss about some solution of the certification maintenance exam. So we need to log in the Trailhead first of all. So go to Trailhead. So after logging in Trailhead, so we need to go with like your credentials tab. So under credentials tab, like we need to select maintain your certifications. So credentials. So still this is loading. Maybe I will check with some speed test here. Okay, refresh. Okay, so credentials under credential like maintain certifications. So once hit on this button, so we can able to see all the maintenance certifications here. So like we have 2023 release, right? So like winter 2023 release. So we need to clear one certification here like solution architect. So where is that? That one developer one. Okay. So here like Salesforce Arctic certification maintenance exam winter 2023. So we need to complete this one. So go to the certification maintenance exam. So in this certification maintenance exam, like we have 5 units. Okay, so let's go one first. So if you have time, then you have to go with each and every paragraph and we need to write. I mean, we need to read this everything. So I will go directly for questions for time being. So we'll go with option B. And what is the new name for the Salesforce CDP? Then go with the custom data platform. CDP means customer data platform. So what type of the list of use custom address will improve the address data accuracy for the users users. Then it should be state and country territory declared. And how can an event delivery allocation made for efficiently? So it should be like filter expressions. So this first one should be B, C, A, and B. So let me check. Yeah, successfully completed. Now we'll go with another unit. So again, same, like we have to read all of this paragraph. So I already done this. So I will go directly for questions and answers. Okay. So what must be created first in order to display content to an LW or signing stages? So it should be like outbound changes. So first order, like we are going to use for outbound changes. So after sending the outbound changes, we need to receive inbound changes, right? Okay. So what output is displayed when the Salesforce CLI package report command runs, command runs. So it should be like display the Salesforce CLI package runs. So a list of apex classes aren't following the code coverage requirements. So this is the answer. What determines an org's shape in Salesforce? So it should be, excuse me, sorry. So for this one. Okay. So now then with API version 21 through retired, it should be okay. Okay, so when will API version 21.0 it should be retired? It should be summer 2023. And so during the major release previews, handbooks are updated before production arc. What is the typical lead time to sandbox upgrades its production? Like 6 weeks. So it should be like A, C, and C, A, C, A, and A. So these are the options. So now check. Okay, successfully completed. So we'll go to the next unit. Okay. So now here we have to, like I already redid all the information here. So if you want, you can go to and read all the information. Then we'll go directly for the answers here. These are the questions, right? So we'll go with answers directly. So why does Salesforce recommended Authority 2.0 clients credentials? So it should be like option A and B both. And Salesforce now supports web initiative key. So it should be like A answer. Multi-factor authentication, few minutes. Okay. And it should be this one for users can log in. Why does Salesforce require blocking username and password flow to keep developers from using build more integrations? When do you new stage customer values become a valid? It should be like when applied. So now check the requirements. So it has been completed. Now we'll go with the next unit. Okay, so you have to read all the information. So we have 4 questions here. Let's go with one by one. So what is the first step to connect user flow scheme in our additional data collections information? So this is the step we have to do. And a custom channel in a group message for multiple platform events in one site into type of events are supported. Should be high level value custom platform events. It should be D, the first extension builder, and here C. So now check. So done. Now we'll go with the last unit. So in this unit, like we have around 5 questions will be there. So we have to go with one of the first question. Where actional update found access and step of menu. So I will go to B and C object manager. I'm sorry, most recently used and external data users. And the show where is the benefit using specific rule instead of the restrictions rule. Then this one. And we'll go with this one option. And Salesforce for this question, like we'll go with this one A and B. And final should be like enable enhanced person information management. Like what feature prevents sectional users for accessing other users' personal information. Should be a P. So now try. Okay. So successfully completed Salesforce Architect maintenance certification. Okay, this is the way we have to complete all the certification maintenance exams. Okay. Thanks for watching.